bacteria. So it seems good way. Some hole and remove the water. Well, let's take out one and wash it. And the once processed, this rice, I want to keep it because it keeps the umami, the good taste of the vegetables, and you can grow the nukazuke. Right. Some processed. It seems not like 100%